Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment.
Oh, damn. We kind of filthy, y'all. We're a little wet. Man, I got a power steering issue. Well, ain't even an issue. My power steering hose is leaking. I just ordered a new high pressure hose. I'm not sure about my pump. It could just be from the hose leaking. My alternator is still doing well, even though it's got a little speck of power steering fluid here and there, but it's not soaking. It's not getting wet from the fluid or anything. But this video is for one of my subscribers. Check this out, bro. Right here. All right, you say you got your Singer out. This is for anybody that owns a Honda, more of the old school Honda motors, H22. With the Singer Alt, it comes with that bracket. That's your factory bracket right there. Basically, I still have the factory tensioner on there, and I had to reverse it. Had to elongate that hole. Basically, I took a Dremel tool and just dremeled it out and made it bigger so that it'll have a little bit of sliding room. And basically, that's all I did was just reverse that bracket around. I'm going to get you hopefully this is a better shot, man. I hope that you'll be able to pause this and zoom it in and you can see exactly how I did it, man. And once again, yeah, it's a community. We're here to help each other out. So that's another reason I made this video here, this little update of my car. It's because I wanted, someone to see how I actually did that bracket. I hope you can see it, man. But that's pretty much it. It's a little finagling. Hopefully some of my other videos help out a little bit with that as well. Some of my older alt install videos, possibly. Everything is still doing good. Shout out to Ill Custom. I hope to hear back from them as well on a little project that I have going on. A lot of people know. That's the Marine kill switch I was telling you guys about. Well, not a Marine. It's just the battery kill switch. So basically, if I'm working under the hood or anything like that, let's say I'm changing the alt or changing the starter, I can just kill that now because I don't have a battery under the hood. So it's isolating it. Everything in the back can still work, just I lose power to the main portion of the car. Now, before, I used to have my AGM under the hood, so if I was driving, well, not driving, if I wasn't driving, if I knew my car was going to sit for longer than a day or whatever, I hit that switch, boom. Now I just isolated my lithium from my AGM. I can hook up an AGM charger, charge the AGM if I want to, but the lithium, I can hook it up to a lithium charger and charge the lithium without affecting, my AGM or without possibly damaging my charger. But, that's pretty much it. Sorry if I'm talking fast. It is like -4 degrees or something out here. It's cold as I don't know what. But that's just another testament. The lithium is holding up very well. So if people ever wondering, how does these batteries hold up in the wintertime? In the winter months? Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm in Chicago. My batteries, my batteries that for my company, Big Vet Lithium, they have been seeing -20 degrees, -30 degrees. I come out, start it up, no problem. Matter of fact, let's just see. I'm resting right now at 14.4 while I was out there yapping with y'all. Matter of fact, let's do this. The blower for the heat is on full blast. It's on 4. That's my voltage right now. 14.3, moved down 1/10 of a volt. All right, we're gonna start the car. So I can kind of hear the motor is like probably around, it's not at 800 RPMs, it's around maybe 7. So I know that I'm charging. I'll probably drive, a block or so. I'm gonna be fully charged again from the batteries being fully dead. I mean, like 100. Let's say I'm at 100% depth of discharge. It'll literally take me less than 10 minutes to charge it back up to 100%. So, just little things to think about. If you're considering lithium, whether you choose my brand or anybody out there. I mean, it's all within greatness. Just the future is coming upon us. Tomorrow is the future. The next minute is the future. So. Innovation is always in the makes. So, and that's, just great things, and some things aren't that great, but this is definitely a great thing in my opinion. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get to that build with the Malibu. It's definitely coming. Me and my little dude, we're about to go grab something to eat from somewhere, finish out some bass, And hopefully I can get around to editing this video and get it out sooner than later. Peace and bass, y'all.